Have you ever wondered what separates a good manager from a great one? It's not just experience or qualifications. It's the skills they bring to the table. Stick around as we break down the top 10 management skills every manager must master to lead teams effectively and achieve success, also with examples to help you put these skills into action. So grab your notepad and let's break this down. Section 1. What are management skills and why do they matter? Management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things. By Peter Drucker. So management skills are the abilities and attributes that enable you to effectively organize, lead, and coordinate people and resources to achieve specific goals. These skills aren't just about being the boss. They're about building relationships, solving problems, and driving results. Think of these skills as the engine of a car. Without them, no matter how fancy the exterior, you're going nowhere. Section 2. Essential management skills. Every manager should have. Let's explore the 10 must-have management skills that will turn you into a world-class leader. First, human skills, the heart of management. The ability to understand, motivate, and manage individuals. And these abilities are the glue that binds a team together. For example, imagine you're leading a team project. One team member struggles with deadlines, while another is excelling but feels overburdened. A skilled manager will address the underperformer's issues through constructive feedback. Recognize the high performer's contributions while balancing their workload. Pro tip: regular one-on-one meetings and team-building activities can foster trust and collaboration. Second, communication skills, the bridge to understanding. The art of clearly and effectively conveying ideas, instructions, and feedback. For example, a marketing manager needs to pitch a campaign idea to executives while ensuring the creative team understands its execution. Clear, concise communication bridges the gap between strategy and implementation. Pro tip: practice active listening. It's just as important as speaking clearly. Third, technical skills, the foundation. Technical skills are the hands-on expertise and knowledge required to perform tasks. For managers, this means understanding industry tools and processes. For example, think of a marketing manager who's adept at using tools like Google Analytics. By interpreting data effectively, they can identify trends and guide their team's strategy. Pro tip: stay updated with industry trends to maintain credibility and relevance. Fourth, conceptual skills, the strategic lens. Conceptual skills involve seeing the big picture, analyzing complex situations, and making decisions that align with long-term goals. For example, a product manager foresees how launching a new feature might impact user experience, sales, and future development. This holistic view helps align team efforts with organizational goals. Pro tip: leverage SWOT analysis to sharpen your strategic decision-making. Conceptual skills grow with experience, so don't shy away from challenging projects that make you think outside the box. Fifth, leadership skills, inspiring your team. Leadership isn't about authority, it's about influence. A great leader inspires trust and motivates their team to excel. For example, Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, revamped the company's culture by focusing on empathy and collaboration, driving innovation across teams. Pro tip: empathy is your superpower. Great leaders connect with their teams on a personal level. Sixth, problem solving, tackling challenges head-on. Every manager faces roadblocks, but the best ones solve problems creatively and efficiently. For example, when a logistics company faces delays due to supplier issues, the manager negotiates with alternative vendors and re-optimizes delivery routes to minimize impact. Pro tip: always define the problem clearly before jumping to solutions. Problems are opportunities in disguise. If you're watching and finding these management skills are helpful so far, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more content like this. So seventh, time management, making every second count, effectively prioritizing and managing time to achieve goals. For example, an event planner creating detailed schedules and assigning roles to ensure the event runs seamlessly. Pro tip: use tools like to-do lists and time blocking to stay organized. Eighth, directing and oversight, supervision, guiding and monitoring team activities to ensure alignment with objectives. For example, a construction manager conducts regular site inspections to ensure safety protocols are followed and timelines are on track. Pro tip, set clear expectations and provide regular feedback to keep everyone aligned. Ninth, adaptability, thriving in change. Adaptability is the key to surviving and thriving in today's fast-paced business environment. For example, during the pandemic, a restaurant owner adapts by transitioning business to online delivery. Owner's ability to pivot ensures his restaurant stays afloat. Pro tip, stay open-minded and embrace learning opportunities to enhance your adaptability. Adaptability is the hallmark of a great manager. 10th, decision-making skills, the ability to choose wisely. Decision-making is where the rubber meets the road. Analyzing situations, diagnosing problems, and making sound decisions based on data and intuition. For example, a retail manager notices declining sales in one store. After analyzing data, they identify poor inventory placement as the issue and make adjustments, resulting in increased sales. Pro tip, use a mix of data-driven insights and gut instinct for balanced decision-making. Remember, a delayed decision is often worse than a wrong one. How these skills work together. These skills aren't isolated, they complement each other. For instance, leadership inspires the team, while communication ensures everyone understands the vision. Problem-solving and diagnostic skills go hand in hand to address challenges effectively. Time management and oversight ensure efficient execution. When combined, these skills create a well-rounded manager capable of handling any situation. Section 3. How to develop your management skills. Ready to level up your management game? Developing management skills is a journey. Here's how you can start. First, education. Enroll in management workshops or online courses. Platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn. Learning are fantastic resources. Second, experience. Volunteer for leadership roles in projects, big or small. Third, mentorship. Shadow experienced managers to understand their approach and learn from their successes and failures. Their insights are invaluable. Fourth, feedback. Actively seek and implement feedback from peers and team members. It's a great way to grow. Fifth, practice mindfulness. Use every project or challenge as an opportunity to refine your skills. Stay calm under pressure and focus on solutions. Read books, listen to podcasts, and stay updated on industry trends. Section 4. Real-life success stories of great managers. Let's look at some inspiring stories of managers who embody these skills. Case Study 1. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google. Sundar's human skills shine through in his ability to foster collaboration and innovation in one of the world's largest tech companies. Case Study 2. Indra Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo. Indra's visionary leadership and ability to connect with her teams transformed PepsiCo into a global powerhouse. Her emphasis on sustainability and innovation set a benchmark for management excellence. Case Study 3. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX. Elon Musk's conceptual skills are evident in SpaceX's mission to colonize Mars, a perfect example of thinking beyond conventional boundaries. To sum up, great managers are not born, they're made. Management skills are more than just tools. They're the key to creating value, fostering growth, and driving success in any organization. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. It's not about perfection, it's about continuous learning and adaptation. By mastering these 10 skills, you can inspire teams, solve complex problems, and achieve extraordinary results. And if you're looking for a deeper dive, I've linked a recommended book on this topic in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for sticking around. Let us know in the comments, which management skill will you think is most important and you work on next? If you're watching this, I have a great video on risk management that you'll find useful. Click here to watch it next. See you in the next video.